Hi, everyone. Glad you could come to this meeting of all of the upper management for our company. You represent all the directors and up to the C level. And we're going to be discussing one of the new strategic goals for the company, and that is to focus on customers that bring value to our company. So I was given some data over the last 3 years of profitability across all of our customers. And one of the things I did was I decided to focus in on the distribution of the profitability. And I wondered, one of the things I wondered was, how did the distribution move across the customers? That is, how many customers provided high profit and how many customers provided low and how many in the middle? And if I took profit and sliced it up in equal size slices, like say profits of 1,000, and then the next group would be 2,000 and profit of 3,000 and then 4,000. What kind of a distribution would I see, and where do our customers fall in that distribution over the last 3 years? So I did that, and this is the result of that. You can ignore the blue line right now and focus on the orange bars. The orange bars represent the number of customers in each of those profit slices. So, for instance, the biggest thing I found when I just glanced at this, and you can see this, is that we have this really tall bar here. So what's going on with this big bar? Well, this big bar is representing the number of customers, which is the value on the y-axis over on the left, the number of customers that fall in the slice of zero profit. The customers to the left are negative profits or losses, and the customers to the right of zero are increasingly large profits or profitability for us. So this zero has a lot of people in it. And that's the first interesting thing I saw. And we'll probably want to come back to that and talk about decisions that could be made. The second thing is this blue line represents a normal curve, and that is the kind of bell curve you saw when you probably learned about statistics in school. This is the middle, the number of people that got a C, if you're talking about grades, and then the number of people that got B's and the number of people that got A's. There's less people that got A's, more people got B's, the most got C's, or the most of the population was average, D's and F's. So if we look at this, it's normal curve, which basically represents random data. Now, this here is the center. Our center is here to the left. And when that's to the left, it means we have more things to the right. The blue line shows that has an equal number of people on the left side of center as on the right. But ours, since it's to the left, has more customers in these profit slices over to the right than the left. So that indicates that we do have more profitable customers than non-profitable customers. And then we can start looking, well, there's not many down here, but there's a lot in here, and we can start thinking about, well, what can we do with medium profitability customers? And what kinds of decisions can we make about the high profitability customers? Are they worth keeping, but there's just a few of them? That's these guys here. Or should we focus on where we have good numbers but less profitability, but the numbers are higher? So those are the kinds of decisions we need to make at this point, and come up with some actionable decisions.